So I am super excited to show you my simple, organized pantry. So this is actually not the first time that I have organized my pantry, or maybe I should say tried to organize my pantry. It's actually something that I tend to do, I don't know, like once or twice a year, because it just, I don't know, it never ever stays organized. And I find that every time I try to organize it, well, I mean, I organize it, but it just gets increasingly frustrating because it never ever stays organized. And then I can't like find anything in it, and worse yet, my husband can't find anything in it, and that's like tragic. So anyways, I was gonna like organize my pantry again because it needed to be done, but just this last week I read a post from I'm an organizing junkie. She also happens to be my friend. Hi, Laura. Okay, here's the story. She went to visit her sister in Ontario, and her sister just bought a new house. So Laura got to organize her pantry. And I say get to because that's actually something she really loves to do. I mean, oh, my coffee. I mean, I can't say as I love organizing my pantry, but I mean, I love when it's all done. But Laura actually loves organizing pantries. Anyways, she got to organize her sister's pantry. I read that post and something actually just kind of clicked for me. Baskets. Baskets. I don't know why I never thought to use baskets in organizing my pantry before. Well, that's not true. I did, because I had this one basket where I keep all of my baking supplies organized. Well, I don't know how organized it is. It's not very neat and tidy, but it's all contained, right? So the overall appearance in my pantry is that it is organized. Anyhow, after reading her post, I just thought, yeah, like baskets would be a brilliant idea to actually keep things in my pantry organized. So that's what I did. And I love it. So one of the other things that Laura and her sister opted to do was they decided to use stuff in their home, well, in her sister's home, that she already owned. They weren't gonna go out and buy anything new. And I just thought that was such a great idea. I decided that I was really gonna try to do the same thing, just use things in my house that I already had. One, it's cheaper. I don't need to go out and buy any more junk for my house. And two, like we're constantly bringing stuff in. If we can reuse stuff, I just think that's brilliant. So I decided that I was really gonna try to utilize things that I already had. And I did, and it worked out great. I ended up finding a second basket. Like I kind of forgot I had it. It was stuffed up in a spare room closet with literally junk inside of it. So I got rid of the junk, and then I used it to store my chips, so that works really good. Then I also have these vintage wire swimming baskets that I picked up like years and years ago when we were down in the States. I think we were in Montana. Anyhow, they were just in like a drawer somewhere with stuff in it that, I don't know, they weren't being utilized very well, so I thought they would be much better used if I had them in my pantry. And like, they're perfect for loose snacks and stuff because we can see what is in them, and it just keeps them all contained. And like noodles and noodles. No, this is not a Mr. Noodles advertisement, although it could be. I really like to say that these Mr. Noodles are my daughter's, but they're not. They're mine. I like noodles a lot. Anyways, yeah. So that is my organized pantry. So I am really excited to show you the before, the during, and the after of how I put my simple organized pantry together.